Standing at the edge of thoughts, I looked and breathed. Many waves gentle touch, my curious soul to meet. Sand kisses sea, a united boundary fine. Nature's majestic beauty unfold, a skilled creature divine. Sweet salty scent, a symphony orchestrated so sweet. Wavy waves, solid sand, tender trees, and speaking sky to greet. Curiously lost in wonder, yes, found I am by I am. In wonderful nature's majesty, my troubled heart calm. The many-world vastness, I begin to clearly see a composed beauty that is wide, yet meant for me. In every tiny grain, in every wide wave, wonderful nature's majestic, my spirit to crave. The breathing tide rise high, the breathing tide fall low, a composed constant reading, as the moments simultaneously flow. I listen closely to the ocean's beautiful song, a great melody that echoes all day long. The sun breathes slowly on the cloudy horizon's frame, painting the blue sky with color that flame, a speaking golden hues of orange and red, a peaceful ending to the coming day ahead. In nature's bounty wonders, I find my peace, a sense of calm, my worries quickly release. The breathing ocean's edge, a place I adore, where majestic nature beauty I forever explore. The shining star appear in the dark evening sky, a twinkling show as the darkling night says I. The world is vast, yet I feel eased at home. In nature's wonderful majesty, my heart finds its dome. In every moving moment, I find my resting bliss at the ocean's edge. Nature's unitedly kiss, a place where many wonders and peace entwine. Nature's majesty, always mine.